Today, I'm not even gonna waste your time. You're here for one thing and one thing only, and that is how to instantly boost your attractiveness. Whether you're stepping into a social event, going out on a date, or simply wanting to feel more confident in your everyday life, this 8 science-backed tips will help you shine. But before we dive right into it, there's a big subscribe button down below if you don't mind clicking on that, and also leave a comment down below on your thoughts. And with all that said, let's get into it. Number 1. Confidence is key. Now, let's start with the cornerstone of attraction, confidence. When you feel good about yourself, it naturally radiates outward. Standing tall and maintaining positive body language not only makes you appear more self-assured, but also invites others to engage with you. Believe in yourself and your abilities. That inner strength is undeniably magnetic. But don't get it twisted. There's a difference between confidence and cockiness. Be assured of yourself, but don't let that come off as overvaluing who you are as a person. Number 2, the power of a smile. Next up, we have a universal powerful tool, which is your smile. A genuine smile can lift up your face, making you instantly more approachable and more likable. Research shows that smiles trigger positive reactions in others, creating a friendly and inviting atmosphere. So remember, sharing your smile not only lifts your mood, but also draws people closer to you. There's even one thing that you can do right now to increase the power of your smile. And this is gonna sound weird, but smiling with your eyes brings out every feature on your face. So next time you look at yourself in the mirror, try smile with your eyes. You might see a difference. Number 3, dress to impress. Now, your choice of clothing is a visual representation of your personality and who you are. Dressing well doesn't necessarily mean following the latest fashion trends. It's about wearing what makes you feel confident and comfortable. A well-chosen outfit that flatters your body type and reflects your style showcases your individuality and boosts your self-assuredness. Really, you don't have to wear anything flashy. Literally a shirt and some jeans with accessories like a necklace, bracelets, and rings can go a long way. So dress to impress, but also dress for yourself. Now, bringing us to number 4, maintaining good posture. Believe it or not, your posture speaks volumes about your self-esteem. Standing or sitting up straight not only makes you appear taller and more elegant, but also conveys a sense of confidence. Good posture reflects a strong sense of self-worth and can leave a lasting impression on those you interact with. So if you're one of those people looking for an extra inch of height, the problem is probably because you're not standing tall. So stand tall. Number 5, active listening. Now let's talk about the art of active listening. Engaging in meaningful conversations and genuinely listening to others not only fosters deeper connections, but also showcases your interest and empathy. People appreciate being heard and valued, so give your full attention and respond thoughtfully to what others are saying. The more you listen and the more you retain information about the person you're talking to, the more attractive you will become. Trust me. Number 6, have a positive attitude. Positivity is a powerful force that can transform your interactions and relationships. Approaching life with optimism not only improves your overall well-being, but also makes you more attractive to others. Positive individuals tend to uplift those around them, creating a good and enjoyable atmosphere. So remember that. Have a positive attitude. Number 7, show kindness and empathy. Kindness truly makes a difference. Treating others with empathy, respect, and understanding not only showcases your character, but also creates a lasting impact. Small acts of kindness, whether it's offering help or simply listening, demonstrate your genuine care for others and contribute to a positive perception of yourself. So remember, show kindness and empathy. Finally, the last tip that you can do right now to become instantly attractive is to embrace your passions. Now I know this is not what you want to hear, but genuinely having hobbies and interests that ignite your enthusiasm not only makes you more intriguing, but also deepen your connections with others. Sharing passions allow you to showcase your unique personality and provides engaging topics for conversations. That could be football or drawing, painting, writing, it could be anything. Just embrace your passions. And if you don't have one yet, then I suggest you should find one. In conclusion, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to instantly boost your attractiveness. Remember, genuine attractiveness comes from within. It's about embodying confidence and positivity. Remember, These tips aren't about changing who you are, but rather enhancing your natural qualities to present the best version of yourself. Attractiveness is a concept that encompasses various facets of your personality and demeanor. By integrating these qualities into your life, you naturally draw people towards you and create enriching connections. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay confident and stay attractive.